So hi guys, for today's video we're gonna learn about how to create and send email campaigns using the Zapify.io email marketing tool. So first, go to marketing, click emails, then click create campaign. It can be blank, email, marketing templates or your own templates. So you cannot choose with templates. So first, you can choose this one. Okay, this one. So you can use the drag and drop button or drag and drop email builder to design your email. You can add elements like text, image, button, divider, and more. So once your email is ready, you can either click this one, send or schedule to deliver it immediately or choose to schedule it for a specific date and time. Say for example, click this one. Okay, you're gonna send now to deliver it immediately or to schedule it for a specific date and time. So as you can see here, you fill in the sender name, sender email, subject line, and more. After that, you can click this review and send. After you fill in these details, click review and send. So this process allows you to plan and automate your email marketing while reaching the right audience effectively. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.